We know them as the titans of the land. Weighing several tons, their footsteps shake the very earth beneath them. But have you ever seen how these giants behave beneath the waves? Scientists reveal that the elephant is not just a master of the land. They are, in fact, born conquerors of the water. For humans, staying underwater requires complex equipment. But nature has gifted the elephant with its very own built-in tool, the trunk. When submerged, they raise their trunks above the surface, using them exactly like a diver's snorkel. This evolutionary masterpiece allows them to cross deep rivers and lakes for miles, breathing effortlessly while their massive bodies remain completely underwater. It seems impossible, but an elephant can swim for 6 hours at a time without stopping. Their secret lies in their immense volume. Their large bodies provide natural buoyancy, allowing them to float with surprising grace. Historical records even show African elephants swimming across oceans to reach islands in search of food. Powering through the water with all 4 legs, they are tireless engines of survival. On land, they fight against gravity, but in the water they become weightless, free spirits. The elephant proves that true strength is adaptability. Kings of the land and the secret sovereigns of the deep. Please subscribe for more elephant blessing vibes. Let the majestic blessings of elephants and tuskers be with you. Much love, and thank you for watching.